Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In other stories, Andy Byron, chief executive of New York-based tech company Astronomer, has resigned following the circulation of a viral video that appeared to show two of the company's senior staff members embracing at a Coldplay concert. The board of directors accepted Byron's resignation, the company confirmed. The video filmed during Coldplay July 16 concert at Gillette Stadium in Boston showed a man and a woman with their arms around each other on a big screen. When they noticed they were being filmed, the man quickly ducked out of view while the woman turned away. Coldplay lead singer Chris Martin was heard joking. Either they're having an affair or they're just very shy. The clip rapidly gained millions of views online, with social media users identifying the pair as executives from Astronomer. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.